Dr. Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Simply Avante. Always forward. Hi, Dr. Chait here from Kinetic Rehab and Spine. I want to teach you a different type of myofascial release technique to the pelvis. This is going to be more for internal rotation on this leg, external rotation on this leg. So from here, we want to get into this posture right through here. Palms are going to be out in front, turn the palms over, and then you're going to rotate to the leg that's behind you. And from this position, all you want to do is breathe. And we're going to breathe from the nose, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. So with that breathing, do about 6 to 10 breaths, and then switch sides. And this side is more tight for me. And these stretches can be done several times throughout the day. And you want to reinforce the fact you're pulling the wrist back. Fully external rotate, because we want to get the fascia to stretch through the whole into our arm, chest cavity, and mid-back. If you have any questions, feel free to call the office, 201-327-1990. We're always here to help you.